This is my #1 wig.
We're chasing the easy life.
This wig today. This wig that everybody have been asking me about. This wig is from LWigs. It's 22 inches long. It's their deep curly, and this is a 360 wig. It's in the color #1, so that was a super plus for me that they offered a color #1, because most of these wig companies only have like natural color. I always have to end up dyeing the wig once I receive it because I don't like the natural color hair, which looks like a #2 to me. I just prefer darker hair on me, so I always end up dyeing the wig black. But this wig saved me that step. I've been wearing this wig for 2 weeks straight. Honestly, I don't think I ever wore a wig or any wig as much as I have worn this wig. I love it, and it is my favorite wig yet. And I got a lot of wigs. Now, I've never received a bad wig. All the wigs that I have are really good wigs, but this one is just, I don't know, it's something about the curl, the way the lace is constructed, the way I can still just run my fingers through this hair. This is after 2 weeks. I know that may not seem long to some people, but believe me, if it's some bad hair, you're gonna see some tangling and shedding and birds nesting going on within the first couple days. So yeah, I can just still run my fingers through the hair. I received no shedding whatsoever. The cap construction fits just right. I got a size small. Lace color is perfect. It's in light brown. These curls or waves or whatever you want to call them are still there. I did nothing to this wig. I do spray it with some oil and water every now and then. But I mean, this is human hair, so it does need some kind of moisturizer, but that's all I do. I take it off at night, put it on a mannequin head, and then when I wake up in the morning, I throw it on, fix the baby hairs, maybe do a little style here and there, which is so easy to style. Like a couple times I wore it back in a ponytail like this. It didn't have this twist right here. I decided to do this twist yesterday. Thought it was cute. I got my little oil and water right here so I can demonstrate to y'all, to show y'all I ain't lying. I ain't lying. So I just spray, just lightly spray. And I just take my Denman brush and brush. Waves or curls, they're more like waves to me, are still there. So just glide right through with no problem. Like this side I didn't even spray with water, but as y'all can see, it has no problem. No problem at all. And even back here in the nape area, and you know it can get pretty tangly back there, but nope. Oops, I just brushed out my twist. But yeah, nice and smooth. Love this hair. Like I really do love this hair. I truly do recommend this hair. Where's my bobby pin at? I done lost my bobby pin, but styling this hair is so quick and easy. This is really a low maintenance wig. I did an unboxing, styling the wig and putting the wig on, cutting the lace and doing the baby hairs and all that good stuff on this video right here. Check that out if you haven't already. I haven't put heat to this hair yet, but I'm pretty sure it would do just fine. I'm not real good at curling wands and all that type stuff. I don't even want to run a flat iron through this hair because I love the texture. I just love the crinkles and waves and everything. Like I said, this is my #1 wig, and y'all know I like to switch up wigs. Y'all know y'all don't see me in one wig more than 2 days. And I've been wearing this wig for 2 weeks. I definitely recommend this wig. It has no smell whatsoever. I know a lot of you like to know if the wig smells. A lot of bundles and wigs do have that stinking smell to it, and you have to wash it before you wear it. But no, this does not have any smell. And a lot of you have been giving me compliments on this wig. You've been asking, what wig is that? Girl, LWigs. Link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.